Is your Mustang refusing to connect to Apple CarPlay? Let's troubleshoot the most common sync glitches together. Data shows that 80% of intermittent CarPlay failures are just simple software or cable connection errors. Before we dive into the settings, we need to systematically identify the culprit. Start by swapping your cable for an official one and removing the device pairing from both the iPhone and the sync system. Check that your iPhone is fully updated and verify that CarPlay isn't accidentally restricted in your screen time settings. If nothing else works, a master reset of the sync infotainment system often clears out persistent communication bugs. Wired connections remain significantly more reliable than wireless, especially in areas with high radio frequency interference. Most fixes take only minutes, though updating your Ford's firmware can be a longer process depending on your internet speed. If you still have issues, inspect the physical USB port for damage or check your fuse box before calling the dealer. Keep a high-quality cable and some compressed air in your glove box to handle any future connection hiccups on the road. Remember, technology is great until it isn't, but a clean reset usually brings everything back to normal. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you get your music back, consider subscribing for more Mustang maintenance tips.